Welcome to This Explainer. Look, let's just cut to the chase and be absolutely real for a second. You're here because you are totally tired of the daily grind. You're exhausted by the traditional hustle culture, putting in endless hours for, well, a pretty minimal payoff, and you are actively looking for the lazy way out. And you know what? There is absolutely zero shame in that. Honestly, finding the most efficient, highest leverage way to generate income, that's just smart business. So today, we are unpacking a completely automated, location-independent blueprint that leverages artificial intelligence to create recurring monthly income. There's no fluff here, no massive learning curves, just a terrifyingly simple system that you can start running today, literally no matter where you live on the globe. If your bank account is currently running on fumes, or maybe you're out of a job right now, or perhaps you just absolutely cannot stand the thought of reporting to your boss for one more soul-crushing week, listen, I hear you. Those pain points, they're exactly why we're analyzing this specific strategy today. We are not talking about building the next massive tech startup that's going to take 5 years to see a single dime of profit. No way. We're talking about a lifeline, a direct, immediate path to cash flow designed specifically for people who need a win right now without needing thousands of dollars in startup capital or, a degree in computer science. I want you to literally burn these numbers into your brain. $197 to $297. And that is not a one-time payment. That is your target monthly recurring revenue per client. And the best part about all this, you aren't actually doing the heavy lifting to earn it. We are going to install Claude AI as your new entirely silent business partner. Claude is going to be the engine of this whole operation, generating the product out of thin air, while you simply act as a bridge between this incredible technology and the people who desperately need it but have absolutely no idea it even exists. Okay, let's dive straight into this. Section 1, the Lazy AI Blueprint. To actually pull this off, we need a complete paradigm shift. The old way of selling websites, it meant grinding 15 hours a day, staring at endless lines of code, and building everything from scratch. It was exhausting. But the new way? Honestly, it's scary how simple this is. We are treating AI as a fully automated digital agency where you are just the director. You let Claude AI build a fully functional website in literal seconds, and you run the entire system for maybe a couple of hours a day at your own pace. It is the ultimate freedom hack because the actual product creation takes virtually zero of your own time. Let's look at your tool stack. Now, if you were starting a traditional brick-and-mortar business, you'd be taking out huge loans right now. But here is your entire arsenal for this model. First up, Claude AI, which acts as your primary website builder. The cost? Completely free. Second, Netlify, which we're going to use for instant mockup hosting so you can actually show clients their site. Cost for that? Also free. And finally, Bluehost, which is where the final live website will actually live once the client pays you. The cost there? About $3.99 a month. That's a whole shebang. Your upfront costs to start generating hundreds of dollars in recurring revenue are practically zero. Now, what's really interesting about this next part is, well, let's get into Section 2, hunting for your targets. So, a free product means absolutely nothing without a hungry buyer, right? Out in the real world, there is a massive population of traditional business owners who are losing money daily simply because they have no digital storefront. So here is your exact hunting methodology. Step 1, Google a local service, something like plumbers near me. And hey, you don't even have to use your own city. Step 2, scroll right past those top results. Those guys already have their marketing figured out. Step 3, find the Google listings with a phone number, but explicitly no website button. We are targeting people who are starting from absolute zero. And if you're sitting there thinking, man, I'm going to run out of plumbers in my area, just look at this hit list. Roofers, painters, electricians, builders, landscapers, cleaners. I mean, the list is truly endless. You can literally just ask Claude to generate 50 local business niches for you if you get stuck. There is absolutely no shortage of targets out there who desperately need exactly what you are about to build for them. All right, let's pick up the pace here. Section 3, building the product fast. This is where the sheer speed of this blueprint really shines. You found a target, and now you need the product in, exactly 10 seconds? You're going to literally copy and paste this exact prompt into Claude. Build a single-page portfolio website for a plumber. Use a dark theme, include a hero section, image gallery grid, and a contact form. Create it as an HTML file. You hit enter, and boom! Claude writes clean, professional code right before your eyes. But wait, once Claude spits out that initial design, you need to make it irresistible to your specific target, right? So you grab the actual name of the business you just found on Google, let's say it's McKinney Plumbing and Gas,
and you feed Claude a second, super simple prompt. Change the branding to McKinney Plumbing and Gas. Claude will instantly rewrite the code, infusing the target's actual business name into the hero section, the headers, the contact forms. You've just created a custom branded website without typing a single line of code yourself.
Now, you obviously can't just send a business owner a giant block of HTML text. You need to show them the real thing. So here is the ultimate lazy hack. Step 1, download that HTML file Claude just made for you. Step 2, go to a website called netlify.com/drop. Step 3, literally just drag and drop that file onto the page. Seriously, you don't even need to create an account. Within 30 seconds, Netlify generates a live, clickable web link hosting your mockup. You now have a tangible, working website link to use as the absolute perfect bait.
So the absolutely crucial point here is how we bring it all together. Section 4, closing the monthly deal.
You have the product, you know exactly who needs it, so now we turn that free link into actual cash. You take the business's phone number right from Google and text or call them with this exact script. Hey, we noticed you don't have a website. We have a template ready to implement for your business right now. How can we send you a link? It is direct, it provides immediate value up front, and it totally bypasses all that normal sales friction. You aren't pitching them some vague idea. You're telling them the work is already done. When they say, yeah, sure, send it, you drop them that Netlify link. Listen, when they see their own business name on a clean, professional website, they are going to want it. And remember, they have no idea how to set up hosting or register domains. They just want the problem solved. That is exactly when you offer your service. You tell them you will host it, maintain it, and keep it live for $197 to $297 a month. Once they agree, you just ask Claude for the instructions on how to upload an HTML file to Bluehost. You pay Bluehost that $399 a month, you get a free domain name, upload the file, and you pocket that massive profit margin every single month. Let's just step back and recap the reality of this situation for a second. The primary tool building the product, completely free. The businesses that desperately need this, they are literally sitting right there on page 2 of Google, publicly listing their contact info for you. The whole process takes minutes, not months. The demand is endless, and the profit margins are frankly absurd. So I just have to ask, if you are tired of being broke, if you're sick of the daily grind, and this entire blueprint has just been handed to you on a silver platter, what exactly is your excuse now?